Okay, before we start, I would just like to say thank you guys for watching my video, because it's so many videos out here that you could be watching, but you're watching mine, and I really appreciate that. Not many people say thank you, but I'm very thankful and very appreciative. Oh, and while you're at it, go ahead and subscribe and turn your bell notifications on. Thank you. Okay, so let's get down to business. We are talking about teeth. We're discussing teeth. Everyone wants perfect teeth. Everyone wants a nice smile. I keep looking at my monitor. Stop, girl. Maybe it's a little flip dip. It's the flips. Everybody wants a nice smile, you know, and then sometimes the dentist offices, they're extremely expensive most of the times, not sometimes, all the time. They're always expensive. I'm just going to say that, okay? So today I'm going to give you two natural ways that's under $5 or just about at $5. Extremely natural, and I'm pretty sure that you have these ingredients in your kitchen right now. Okay, so the first thing that I feel that is very important, it is really your toothpaste. What are you brushing your teeth with? Personally, I use Sensodyne. I also use Colgate. I also use Crest. Really, it depends on what's in my bathrooms at the time. I cannot lie. I use Sensodyne. I use Sensodyne because sometimes I do have sensitive teeth. Sometimes, not all the times, but yeah, I have sensitive teeth, and I try to go for anything that says whiten, enhance toothpaste. I think I'm going to switch over to no fluoride toothpaste. Comment below and let me know what's the best brand to use. But the white enhanced one is the one that you will need for a white smile. Let's get down to the nitty gritty, boo. Alright, so the things that you're going to need: baking soda, a lemon, maybe you will need this, maybe not, I'll explain later, hydrogen peroxide, a toothbrush, handy dandy, a stirrer, which is a small miniature spoon, or a real stirrer if you have one. I don't have one. And a bowl. And guys, I do not get my teeth professionally whitened. I just want to throw that out there. Nor have I ever. I always get asked, how you gonna teeth so white?
How your teeth remain so white?
Well, I'm going to share my secret today. It's not really a secret, I promise. This method, or these methods I'm going to show you, remind you of, has been out, I'm pretty sure, way before I was born, probably. So, you know, your grandma probably was doing it, to be honest. But I'm just going to bring it to life to you today. And guys, with these techniques, you do not have to worry about staining. So you can eat what you want to eat. Drink wine, drink your coffee, enjoy life. Ultimately, yeah, these are just 100% natural ways to enhance your smile, to enhance your confidence, to just be one with yourself. Because let's face it, teeth and a brighter smile will definitely make you feel whole. All right, let's get it. First, we're going to start with a combination of baking soda and hydrogen peroxide. So go ahead and grab those two. Got it, good. Start off by mixing 2 tablespoons of baking soda with 1 tablespoon of 3% solution hydrogen peroxide. Make sure that your hydrogen peroxide is at 3% solution or less before mixing. Anything that's stronger will definitely be harmful to you. And if you're following along with me, feel free to add additional peroxide to thin the paste, or add baking soda to give it some thickness to achieve your desired paste. I feel as if my paste is a tad bit too liquidy, so as you can see, I'm going to add a tad bit more baking soda to thicken it up. Okay, and we're going to add a tad bit more actually. And now I'm just going to stir it there and stir it up until I receive a consistent paste all the way through, and until I am happy. Okay, I feel as if I am there. I am happy. I've actually made a tad bit more for my significant other, so moving right along. All right, we're going to move this bowl to the side for the second method. Take a lemon, cut it in half. We are using baking soda again, as well as the lemon. Now, the reason that I said some of you might not use this lemon is because a lemon has extreme high acid content and it can be damaging to the enamel. Some of you might not like this information, but it is a natural whitener. Now, if you are going to use this method, I would recommend that you use it once a month. Personally, I would use the first method, but I understand. So basically what I just did there was add a teaspoon of baking soda and some lemon. Of course, greedy me, adding more juice. Okay, now I'm just going to stir. Remember, I said you can add more of each ingredient to get your desired paste. Okay. All right, now back to my paste. Make sure I get it a good consistent paste. You can take your stirrer and take a big chunk of it and you can put it, I would advise you to damp your toothbrush. You can put it on here just like regular paste, or you can actually take your toothbrush and just scoop it in. Whatever is comfortable for you. As I recently just stated, I definitely would advise that your toothbrush is a tad bit damp or wet completely. And like I've been stating, this paste is not tasty. It's definitely an unpleasant taste, but trust me, it's gonna be worth it. I'm gonna brush my teeth on camera for you guys. So, brush away. Alright, so the paste is honestly not really that bad. So I want you to like just take mouthwash or either water. Look, it's a shot glass. Okay, slid right on back in that thing. So once you're done with that, you just want to take some floss. I like a little stick floss where you can get down in the crevices of your teeth. Love that floss, but right now I'm currently out of that. Take floss and just go in and get to work. Homemade toothpaste is extremely inexpensive. Why baking soda and peroxide? Well, it's because both of them whiten your teeth while killing bacteria and germs. And a wider smile just give you the radiance and confidence. It allows you to exude radiance and confidence and just be the best person that you can be, in my opinion. You can improve the taste. The taste isn't as pleasant, but to me it's not that bad. You can mix strawberries, and strawberries also a natural teeth whiten, if you guys did not know. You can mix like dry or cut up lemon. If you want to give it like a citrus taste or peppermint oil or anything like in that nature, you can definitely bring that taste out so you will be able to don't swallow, but just able to cope with the taste while you're whitening your teeth. And also, baking soda is a natural deodorizer. It will clean the plaque from your teeth. It will also, most importantly, it will freshen your breath. So that's a major relief, and that's one of the key ingredients of my secret sauce. And just as the baking soda, peroxide just basically weakens the bacteria and breaks everything down for the baking soda to do its job. When people mix their lemon with the baking soda, immediately you will see a white results within 2 minutes. Do not be fooled by that. It will go right back to its natural color, probably within 10 minutes or so. That's why you have to keep it up. It just becomes a regimen for you, and that will be much more easier, and you will see much more better results that way. So I hope that these little tips and tricks help you guys. Let me know below. Do this for about 2 months, and you can probably, some people can go as much as 3 times a month, 4 times a month. I would recommend it. I only do it once a month, but I'm just simply giving you my regimen that I do once a month. So hopefully you guys just let me know what you guys think. some of you might have a minor reaction to the baking soda or the peroxide. In that case, please halt what you're doing. Stop immediately. Just basically stop. You want to consult with your dentist before you're doing anything like that, or if you're having any type of reaction, please do not continue. If it's an issue one time, do not do it again. That means it's not for you. And last but most importantly, please do not swallow your paste. Please do not swallow your paste. Peroxide is not meant to be swallowed whatsoever. It will harm your intestines. You might want a nice white smile, but definitely be cautious when you're doing these things, or just on YouTube or whatever. Please just be cautious. Your health is first, I promise. All right, all done. I hope you guys thoroughly enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, like it, subscribe. I really appreciate it, and I really apologize about the lighting. Yes, the time did get away from me. I had a lot of things going on, per usual. Everyone does, you know, so no need to follow me. Here we go. But once again, please like this video, subscribe, and share it. I would really appreciate it. But thank you once again, guys. Thank you for watching me. Peace.